We are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to learn few examples based on laws of exponents. The first question is simplify and write the answer in exponential form. So we will see one by one. First question is negative 4 raised to the power negative 3 into 5 raised to the power negative 3 into negative 5 raised to the power negative 3. So now if you observe the given question, okay, so all the exponents are same but the bases are different. So now we are going to use the law a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m equal to ab raised to the power m. So here the bases are different but the power is same. So we are multiplying the base and writing the power once. So first we are taking the first two numbers, negative 4 and 5. Okay, so here if you multiply negative 4 and 5, you will get negative 20 raised to the power of negative 3. Now negative 20 into negative 5 will be, negative will become positive, 20 into 5 will become 100. So 100 raised to the power of negative 3. Now it's in the negative power. So we are going to convert it into positive power. By using the law, a raised to the power negative m equal to 1 divided by a raised to the power m. So here a is 100 and the power m is 3. So 100 raised to the power negative 3 can be written as 1 divided by 100 raised to the power 3. So thus negative 4 raised to the power negative 3 into 5 raised to the power negative 3 into negative 5 raised to the power negative 3 is equal to 100 raised to the power negative 3, which can be rewritten as 1 divided by 100 raised to the power of positive 3. Next question. 1 divided by 8 into 3 raised to the power of negative 3. So now here it is in the base 3 and it's in the power of negative 3. So we have to think how we can write this 8 in terms of power 3 or base 3. So we cannot write 8 in terms of base 3. So we are going to write 8 in terms of power of 3 with base 2. So we know that 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3. So we can rewrite this equation 1 divided by 8 into 3 raised to the power negative 3 as 1 divided by 8 is replaced as 2 raised to the power of 3 into 3 raised to the power of negative 3. By using the law a raised to the power negative m equal to 1 divided by a to the power m. So here it is in the form 1 divided by 2 raised to power 3 is in the form 1 divided by a raised to the power m. So which can be written as 2 raised to the power of negative 3, that is a raised to the power negative m. So our equation will become 2 raised to the power negative 3 into 3 raised to the power negative 3. So if you see this equation, the bases are different but the power exponent is same. So we can use the law a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m equal to ab raised to the power of m. That is, we can multiply the base and we can write the power once. So base is 2 into 3 and the power is negative 3. So 2 into 3 raised to the power of negative 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 raised to the power of negative 3. We can rewrite this 6 raised to the power of negative 3 as 1 divided by 6 raised to the power of 3 using the law a raised to the power negative m equal to 1 divided by a raised to the power m. So thus 1 divided by 8 into 3 raised to the power negative 3 is equal to 6 raised to the power of negative 3, which is equal to 1 divided by 6 raised to the power of 3. Next question is negative 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 divided by 3 whole raised to the power of 4. So now let us see how to rewrite this equation. Negative 3 raised to the power 4 can be written as negative 1 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 4 and 5 divided by 3 whole raised to the power 4 can be written as 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. So now we will take negative 1 raised to the power 4. So in our previous videos we have learned that if negative 1 is multiplied even number of times, we will get positive result, that is positive 1. So negative 1 raised to the power 4, we are multiplying it 4 times, that is even number of times. So negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1. So we will get positive 1. So it is positive 1 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. Here 1 3 raised to the power 4 is in multiplication, the other 3 raised to the power 4 is in division. That is, one is in numerator, other is in denominator. So we can cancel it out. So our equation will be 1 into 5 raised to the power 4, which is nothing but 5 raised to the power 4. So thus negative 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 4 equal to 5 raised to the power of 4. Next question is find m so that negative 3 raised to the power m plus 1 into negative 3 raised to the power 5 is equal to negative 3 raised to the power of 7. So now we will write this equation. So what is given? Negative 3 raised to the power m plus 1 into 3 raised to the power of 5 equal to negative 3 raised to the power of 7. So now if you see here, the base is same and the exponents are different. So we can use the law a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So we can rewrite this left side as negative 3 raised to the power of m plus 1 plus 5. So that will be negative 3 raised to the power of m plus 5 plus 1 is 6. On our right hand side we have same negative 3 raised to the power of 7. See, on both the sides powers have same base, okay, but the powers are different. So we can equate the exponents. Base is same but the powers are different. So we can equate the powers or exponents. That is m plus 6 equal to 7. Only if base is same we can equate. So m plus 6 equal to 7. Subtract 6 on both the sides. So we have m equal to 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So thus m is 1. So m value is 1. So that negative 3 raised to the power m plus 1 into negative 3 raised to the power 5 will be equal to negative 3 raised to the power of 7. Next question is find the value of 2 divided by 3 the whole raised to the power of negative 2. So this 2 divided by 3 whole raised to the power of negative 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power negative 2 divided by 3 raised to the power of negative 2. So now here negative 2 is in the numerator and denominator. So we can interchange it. So 3 is raised to the power 2 divided by 2 raised to the power of positive 2. So now 3 raised to the power 2 is 3 into 3, that is 9, and 2 raised to the power 2 is 2 into 2, that is 4. So in this case we are using the law a divided by b raised to the power negative m is equal to b divided by a raised to the power of positive m. So the answer is 9 divided by 4. So the value of 2 divided by 3 raised to the power of negative 2 is 9 divided by 4. Hope you have understood how to apply laws of exponents for various questions based on the question. Thank you for watching this video.